Hey everyone, this is Jen DeMore for Paint Trip, doing another 3-color pour. I love the 3-color pours. It's a quick way to see how different colors interact. This one is using complementary colors: violet, yellow, and kind of a gray purple. In general, this gray purple is pretty muted. I mean, it has gray in its name, so it's not going to make things super vibrant. It's acting more as a neutral in this case. I'm a big fan of working with complementary colors. I think that they really make each other pop. So I'm mixing layers of those in a cup. I've prepped the black canvas. I've talked about this before in other videos. I think it's great when you're starting out to use small canvas and lots of them. It gives you a chance to experiment with colors, with techniques, find a technique you really like, see what happens when your ring pour is really tight and circular or more chaotic, and maybe you prefer one or the other. Add a little silicone, stir a little bit, and then I'm going to ring pour. You just want to pour circles as small as possible. Just keep pouring in basically the same spot over and over again until either you've used all your paint or you've filled canvas. I've done the ring pour on this canvas, and I will tilt it to fill the entire canvas. The direction you choose to tilt is sometimes based on necessity, when you need to fill in a corner. Sometimes it's based on if you see something you like and you want to preserve it, or you see something you don't like and want to get rid of it, then tilt in a direction to let that just roll off the edge. I think it's best to really let the paint do the work and interfere as little as possible. You want to kind of help to blend things and make things natural. But overworking is usually pretty obvious and doesn't usually get the best results. So if you don't like something, just scrape it off and do a new one. Because it's all about the process anyway. It's all about having fun. I've painted over the same painting several times, and I've probably enjoyed it more than staring at a painting that I'm not happy with and that I wish I had done differently. Okay, so have fun. Let me know how it goes. If you want to catch all of the Paint Trip videos, hit the subscribe button below. Thanks.